it's actually good. The water didn't do too much damage, you know, when it came up and then froze and brought a whole bunch of trees down and things. But yeah, right now I'm just going over the trails and checking to see how much fallen debris there has been and stuff I need to move with the tractor, but so far so good. A couple branches down, but yeah, that just needs more firewood. That comfrey looks so beautiful. I might transplant some of that up near the cabin just because it's a really good ground cover. And they have really deep tap roots, so yeah, they get a lot of nutrition from the soil and can get rid of a lot of, you know, pollutants and stuff in the ground. So that's just good to have around your garden. So the deer were definitely down here. See some raccoon prints there too. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Oh, lots over there, of course, by the water. So these little guys, this is like the wild ginger that's coming up, so they're gonna have like a little red flower on them, and yeah, the roots are kind of where the spice comes from. They're not as pungent or as strong as like the ginger you'd get in the grocery store, but it's really lovely. We got wild leeks, of course, popping up everywhere. If I'm being completely honest, the place is a bit of a mess. So I feel like I'm already behind on spring cleanup shit, you know, like the fire pit's a mess. There's like just debris, winter debris everywhere, you know what I mean? Leaves to rake, sticks to pick up. Yeah, pig shit to move. It's just, did you hear that? Holy shit, that is so fucking beautiful. I think I disturbed a bit of a hunting session. if that's not like a good omen, I don't know what is. That just felt like a positive thing, you know? That was intense. So obviously, like, I think that's eagles, right? That sounds like eagles. I don't know my birds of prey all that well, but holy. It sounded like they were obviously in the area hunting. I think there's a mother with a young one. And the crows were not happy about it. I think the young one's still over here, though. I don't even remember what I was talking about before. I got totally distracted. Wow. Oh. That like makes me want to get some sort of better zoom, even on my SLR camera, because I could hardly make out what that bird was. I'm pretty sure that's an eagle though, right? Did that not sound like an eagle? Could you hear that? I'm gonna have to watch it back, play it back. I don't know what young eagles really look like in person, I guess. Like that was close. I could still hear the crows going nuts, like protecting their territory, you know? That's just really cool to me. Anyway, what was I saying before like awesome nature happened? Something about cleaning up. Anyway, but yeah, I have a lot of debris to clean up around here. You know, like spring cleaning realistically should have started a month ago, and here I am kind of playing catch up. Starting now is better than not getting it done, so